Man, I'm really nervous. I feel like I'm more nervous about going to look at this dog than I am going on like dates.
A date, you go home.
Yeah, on a date, I go home and I'm like, yeah.
A dog, you have to take care of it for the rest of its life.
I guess it would be the same if I had to went on a date and not have to take care of her for the rest of her life. We are on our way to go pick up my puppy at the animal shelter. Yo, I just realized the moment this dog comes over here, he's gonna enter this Tesla. He's like, "Oh man, I came up," but I was like, "No, this is actually your uncle's car. I drive a Hyundai." The highest of highs to the lowest of lows. And like, how many dogs have you had?
12.
You've had 12 dogs?
Yep.
How?
Bro,
How's that possible?
first off, I'm 39.
Dogs last a long time.
No, they don't. Not all of them last a long time. I had 2 Pomeranians, and they had like 6 babies.
Whoa.
So we sold those babies. And then I had Fish. Had him for a year or 2, but then he outgrew my apartment, so I had to give him to like a farm, give him more space. He was a Basset Hound. And then I had Monty, which was a pug, and he just shed so much, and I couldn't deal with it anymore. Couldn't deal with the shedding. We're about to go pick up Obi's dog. He doesn't even know that he's gonna get.
I don't know which breed I'm getting yet, but we're gonna go take a tour inside the animal shelter here. I have a list of, we have 4 that me and Min have looked through that we think will be a good match for me. Ugh, this my gut out. I want to make a good impression on the dog.
Suck it in.
Okay, I have a 2 o'clock appointment.
2 o'clock appointment. What's the name?
Obi.
Okay, cool. Are you guys together?
Yes.
Okay, great.
You gotta make sure the dog's not racist.
Okay. Make sure the dog's not racist.
Yeah.
Step 1.
Yeah, some dogs have bad past. So if you like reach for it and it kind of like shrivels, it means that is like an abusive past.
Okay.
You know,
That's
kind of like
sad.
dating the same women when you try to hug them and they're like this.
You want to confess something?
Nah,
I don't. I don't know if I've had that.
Plead the fifth. Just kidding. Don't put that shit on there.
It's staying in the vlog. People that do have dogs, were y'all nervous before y'all got your dog? Because I feel like I'm very nervous. And I guess a part of it, because I had a conversation with Min and my friend May last night, and May asked me like, "Hey, so do you have all your supplies? Do you have your kennel? Do you have a dog blanket? Do you have the food?" I was like, "No." I was waiting until I got the dog to buy all that stuff later. She's like, "You're not gonna have time to buy anything later once you have the dog. Like, the dog's gonna take up all your time." I was like, "Damn it!" And I started having like a panic attack last night. Like, my whole dream was about me getting this dog today, and just making sure I don't let the dog down and stuff. I just want to do a good job.
Cat's a low maintenance.
Yeah, the cat. I don't know. I'm not really a cat person. Like Bandit.
Hi, Bandit. Oh, cute.
Yeah.
Honestly, either or. Like the black one's very playful, it looks like, and the brown one's a little bit more nervous about it.
Yeah.
But she still looks like she's. You can see her tail wagging and stuff. She's still calm.
They only got here yesterday afternoon too, so they're probably still getting used to
Yeah.
whatever they went through.
Dang. Man, I don't know what to choose. They both hurt like good, like this dog and is it Bandit? Yeah.
Yeah.
Like
We'll
this
control-
size.
Control you because
Yeah.
he's a big
It was
dog.
so something.
Ow. Oh, look, it's rainbow. All right.
Aww.
Looks like a match made in Austin. Yeah, I think that's gonna work out. It's cool. He doesn't have a name, and you just make up your own name. Like
Yeah.
it'll be like your first dog.
I'm still like in shock. I feel like it feels like it doesn't feel real. Like, did I really get a dog?
Don't feel real to me either, bro.
Yeah,
Oh
we'll
my
pick up my unnamed dog on Thursday in 2 days.
Black and white dog. Call him
Mhm.
Salt and Pepper.
With 2 names.
Call him
Hmm.
Pepper. Yeah, Pepper.
Yeah, it'll be
He
interesting.
looks like a bandit, but I think you can come up with a cooler name than that.
Yeah.
Like Mandrake,
Hmm.
Tyson, or something like that.
What do we call it? Morpheus.
Morpheus?
Morpheus, come here.
Dog does not look
No,
like
it doesn't look like Morpheus
Dog
at all.
Look like a Neo more than a Morpheus.
I don't know, guys. What do you think I should name my dog?
You have any favorite artists?
I always thought I was gonna name a dog Jeffrey.
That's a good name.
Really?
Yeah,
Jeffrey?
yeah. That's a good name for it.
Hmm.
Jeffrey.
I always thought, yeah, I would name my dog Jeffrey.
Name him Jeffrey,
Okay,
dude.
maybe I think
Jeff, get your ass over here.
Jeffrey.
Jeff, quit sniffing his ass. Alright, we're about to go get Obi's puppetied up.
Yeah.
How you feel, kid?
I feel excited. I feel good. Thank you.
Alright, Obi, what do you think? Is your new pet?
I know.
She's so
I like it.
nervous.
She's nervous
She's
and
calm. At
calm.
least she's not jumping off of your.
Yeah.
What are you thinking?
I like her a lot.
Yeah.
She's so chill.
Yeah, she's super
But I don't
chill
know
now.
if it's because of the anesthesia they just gave her because
yeah.
of her spade
Yeah.
swap surgery, but we'll see. At least I got you a nice comfy bed to kind of rest at and recover. So everybody, I'd like you to meet Juno. Hey, this is Juno. She's all chill.